my esteemed colleagues in the bench, Abdul Wahab Khan, President, Diwali Pandey, learned senior advocates, other advocates present, Registrar General and other members of the registry. I was safely ensconced in my seat when Abdul Wahab Khan and Diwali Pandey had gone to meet me with a request to come to today's meeting. I said, yes, certainly in an occasion like International Women's Day, I must be there, but only thing I asked them, I hope I need not speak. They said, yes, don't have to speak, sir. Don't have to speak. Don't have to speak. So I was very happy, okay, not to speak, but she has promised, and she has broken her promise. So whatever punishment you want to give it to her. All right. No, it's all right. Anyway, they were all having papers. Preparation is there. And I am here sitting, thinking if the call comes, I will be having butterflies in my stomach. That's precisely what is happening. I also used to have butterflies in my tummy since you were on the subject of cricket. When I used to go to bat, before you before you go to the arena, butterflies in the stomach. But once you cross the arena, your mindset changes. Sachin Tendulkar also said, there has to be butterflies in the stomach. But once you take guard, you have to dispel all such negative thoughts. Besides the point. I am very happy to be here otherwise, and I was amazed by one particular and singular aspect. Everybody who has come here and spoken a few words comes with great, what do you call, this is couplets, what is called in Hindi? Sayaris. Everybody is so adept and I feel so incompetent and illiterate. Hopefully in days to come, somebody will guide me how to master the art. Anyway, yeah, it's a very good occasion to be celebrated. And I think all the kudos for the Chhattīsgarh High Court Bar Association to take the initiative to celebrate the women empowerment. We are inching towards an inclusive society. Long way to go, but the seeds have been sown for an inclusive and non-discriminatory society. Women have broken the glass ceiling. You see all spheres of life. The women are in the top bracket. They have crossed all hurdles, all obstacles. And they are empowering themselves. That's the best thing. They are empowering themselves. There are impediments on the path, obstacles created. We had a kind of mindset ingrained in our psyche. But time has come to unshackle such kind of thoughts that woman is not equal to menfolk. Yesterday was a quite revelation for me. I had the occasion to go to address the newly recruited 39 civil judges, entry level. If my counting is not wrong, 27 out of 39 are girls. That shows the progress made by our ladies leaps and bounds, and they are surpassing the boys. Last year, I was just looking at the papers when the results had come out in Assam. Girls outshone the boys. All ranks practically grabbed by the girls. These are very, what do you call? These are very encouraging signs. So even if somebody is having some notion that there are impediments, there are difficulties, you have to take the bull by the horn and march forward. And let me tell you, you will have all the support. There may be some negligible segment of the society, but today you will have the support. If there is anyone trying to tinker with your rights, you will have support like never before. I remember suddenly, long time back, 2013 perhaps, sorry to say something like this, they have spoken about the origin of the International Women's Day and all, Justice Baduri, Wahab Khan. I will not dwell upon that. I will share some experiences, that's all. 2013 perhaps, I was holding court in Kohima. Normally the court is not very full. Kohima, not a court where a lot of cases are there. But that day when I had gone there, I saw 500, 600 ladies, an equal number of people went. I was asking my people there, how come so many people are here today? What's the scene like? They said there is one big case today. I said, what is that case? I go through all the papers all the time, but I didn't realize which is the big case. So they said there is a reservation case today. Oh, I remember. What is that reservation case? It was reservation for ladies to the tune of 33% in municipal elections. In Nagaland, women didn't have right for representation, and they wanted 33% reservation. And there was hostile response to the claim made by the Naga Women's, I forgot, association or something like that. Hearing continued for a couple of days. I was pretty sure in my mind that I am going to deliver a judgment for 33% reservation. The people appearing for the other side was telling the court, if you pass a judgment of this kind, there will be law and order situation in this state. I said, do you want to go it on record? Law and order is not my problem. If you say law and order is a problem for you, I will record. It will be ground for imposition of precedence rule. He said, no, sir, we are not saying so. You please pass whatever judgment. We are just saying that this is a situation that may arise. I said, nothing doing. I am passing the judgment. I passed the judgment, 33%. So I had done my part to try to uplift the rights of the ladies, wherever it's required and entitled to in law, in my perception. During the course of my lawyer days, I was counting. I had 6 ladies as my juniors. They were quite a substantial number, 6, over a period of time. So, I have seen ladies coming up I have also seen close quarters because there were 6 ladies with me. There are problems at home, but I marvel the kind of resilience and the courage they exhibit day in, day out, and the amazing ability to balance things at home and at workplace. I don't think we will be in a position to do half of what we have been doing. So it is really wonderful that we have been able to manage your home front, and at the same time coming to the forefront and grabbing a piece under the sun. I hope you will be able to keep it up. Keep it up, certainly you will do, and keep it up in a spectacular manner. I wish you all the very best. Wish you very good in the days to come. God bless you. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सर। कार्यक्रम के अंतिम चरण में अब मैं हमारे सम्मानित माननीय अतिथिगण उसमें